She's in. Let the cleanup and tune-ups begin. I think first things first is belt deflection, because she's slipping pretty good. I broke that last year. We remade one that worked for one ride, but she needs a good cleanup. Overall service. She'll be ready to rock. Got another one drug out. Dustin's got the old formula going. I brought the cat in. It's in the shop now.
Arctic cat?
Yeah, the Arctic cat's in the shop.
Oh.
Your kitty cat was already going. Now we just got to get the 3 phasers rocking.
Is that a phaser?
No, that one's the formula. Yeah, formula slow. It is slow. Runs like a Swiss watch, though. Maybe. I went all the way around the very outside and it just barely kept off everything. I had to move it once or twice. Try it. Yeah, you want to go on your sled? Should we go and fire up the kitty cat? Yeah. It should start up easy enough. Yeah. Don't go too fast. Is he going too fast with your sister? Tighten. You like it? Yeah.